Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cinematic AI videos. So in today's video, I'm going to use three different tools. First one is the ChatGPT, with which we are going to create prompts with, and the second one is the High-Level AI, with which it can perform image to video conversion. And the third one is to create or generate our image. We will use Canva AI. So I will ask ChatGPT to type or write me a prompt about hot air balloon in red sky. I will hit enter. Instead, it has created me an image which we can also use. So I will click on download. The image has been downloaded, so we do not have to use the Canva AI. Now what I will do, I will go to this website and select image to video. Now I have to sign in with my account. Once I'm signed in, as you can see, I'm on a free trial and I have some credits over here. What I will do, I will now drag and drop my image. Let's see, this is a WebP image. So what I will do, I will just convert my WebP to PNG converter. I will use this one to convert my image. I will select the file, or I will just drag and drop the file over here and I will select convert. Now it's converting my image over here, which is just created by DALL-E. I will click on download. Now my image has been downloaded. Now I will upload the PNG version onto this website. Now you can see my image has been pasted over here. I want a prompt just in the form of text. So the image that it has created, it has been created with these prompts. What I will do, I will copy these prompts. Now I will paste these prompts in this section. Now I will click on create. As you can see, my picture is being converted from image to video. Let's see what is the final result. Now after waiting almost 5 minutes, let's see what it has created. I will select the image. Now as you can see, the hot air balloon is now moving and it's only 6 seconds long video. And if you want to recreate it, if you do not like it, you can also select this recreate button and this will help you to recreate. And all of these things which I have just shown you are totally free. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.